Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video I will show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! Okay, there are two main reasons why you have clicked on this exact video. First of all, you were using your tablet normally and then suddenly it froze to death, like the screen is frozen, you cannot do anything. And the other reason, you have just installed a new Leaf screen protector and now your screen isn't just responsive as it used to be. First of all, let's fix the first issue because I believe this is the most common one than the touch screen protector one. In order to fix the touchscreen not being responsive, you probably need to soft reset your device. And normally I would say, well, first you have to expand the control center, click the power icon and then hit restart. But then the problems start occurring because, well, you can't do that since your phone isn't really working, since your tablet isn't like responding, your touchscreen is frozen. So how can we perform a soft reset? Well, I will move the plant away. You want to press the volume buttons with the combo of power button. I actually don't remember which one. I will try pressing power button and volume up button. So let's try doing that. And of course we want to do that simultaneously. Let me try once again. And let's just try and press it for a couple of seconds. If it's not working and it looks like nothing is really happening, we can try and pressing and holding the power button with volume down button, which I kind of failed, so let me try once again. And now let's keep pressing that for a couple of seconds. Sometimes it's very long, it really depends on the phone and the speed of your tablet. But if we are patient enough, soon we should see our screen completely black. Now my focus here is kind of broken now, so I will just pause the recording. But generally speaking, I am now waiting for my tablet to turn on once again. Okay, I have pressed the power button because I believe I had it turned up, which means that it wouldn't really automatically turn itself on. So don't be afraid if your touchscreen isn't really responding, it's black. It's completely normal, you just need to turn on your device by pressing and holding power button and so on. And as you can see, the soft resets helped, at least for me. If it didn't help for you, then you have encountered some sort of weird issue, my friends. If you can share them down in the comments, I'm sure somebody will help you, maybe we will directly respond to your comment. But if you have see that your touchscreen isn't responsive at all and it's frozen, I would just advise you to go and check it in the Samsung store because it sounds like physical damage, to be honest. But anyway, let's just stop talking about the touchscreen being frozen. Let's go into the other part of the problem, your touchscreen not being responsive after installing screen protector. What do we want to do then? Well, luckily it's surprisingly easy. You want to head into your settings, scroll down a little and enter display. And inside display, you want to scroll down until you will see touch sensitivity option, and you probably guessed it, you want to simply increase it by just enabling it, and now your touchscreen is much more sensitive, giving you the ability to use it even with some sort of bad quality screen protector. Just make sure that it won't really break your device. If you are buying screen protectors, you probably want to buy an official one, since the unofficial ones, or especially the poor quality ones, will probably result in some sort of damage to your touchscreen on, as I said, issues similar to this one, like touchscreen not being responsive. But this shouldn't really occur in official screen protectors. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.